Greetings of the day. I, Chavi Gupta, welcome you all in today's session. We have completed our chapter that is light. Now we will start a new chapter that is chemical reaction. But before beginning, I just want to know that you must be knowing that some symbols and electronic configurations. I'll just give you a quick recap on the atomic number, symbols, and electronic configuration. Now, first you have atomic number, then you have atom, then you have symbols, and then you have electronic configuration, that is K, L, M, N. I hope in class 9th you must have studied about this electronic configuration and how it is being done. Now, first you have to learn that 1 to 20 atoms, that is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. In this way you have to learn till 1 to 20. I will write the series over here, but before that I just want to tell you what are the atomic numbers, what are the atoms, symbols, and electronic configuration. Now first is your atomic number, it is 1. Atom is your hydrogen, and the symbol is H for hydrogen. Same way we have second, that is helium, symbol is He, and the third is your hydrogen helium lithium, and the symbol is Li. Fine, these are only 3. Wait, I'll give you the rest till 20. Now what you have to do is, you know that the hydrogen has an atomic number 1, and an atom has maximum electrons to be filled is 8 in its outermost shell, but in K shell we can fill maximum electrons of 2. L is 8 and then 8. Fine, then 18 you have. Okay, now what you will do is, no sorry, you will count according to 8 here only. Now what you will do is, you know that hydrogen has 1 atomic number, so the number of atoms, number of atomic numbers equals to number of protons. Okay, so number of protons equals to number of electrons ओरिजिनली. स्टार्टिंग के लिए हम हमेशा इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स के इक्वल रखते हैं. दैट इज इट हैज़ 1. सो इन के शेल ओनली 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन कैन फिल. ओके, नाउ in helium only 2 electrons can fill, and in lithium only 2 electrons can fill. Fine, here we left with 1 electron, so what will happen, the 1 electron will shift in next shell, that is L shell. Okay, now it indicates that in K shell we have 1 electron. For hydrogen, for helium we have 2 electrons in K shell. For lithium we have 2 electrons in K shell and 1 electron in L shell. Okay, now what is next over here is that, you know, K can maximum take 2 electrons. It is just like when you filled everything. When your stomach is totally full, you cannot take more food inside. The same way, the K electron can maximum take 2 electrons in it. So that means if it is completely filled, means it have taken 2 electrons. अगर उसने 2 electrons ले लिए तो वो और electrons नहीं लेगा. And when it has taken 2 electrons, it will not take part in any of the reactions, because जब आपका tummy full होता है तो आप कुछ और नहीं खा सकते. Same way, that is the basics, that in a chemical reaction, when the octet, means when the outermost shell is completely filled, it will not take part in any chemical reaction. Fine, now for L, it can take maximum 8 electron. but we have seen that for lithium K has 2 electrons and L has 1 electron. So what it will do, it will participate in the electron, it will participate in the reaction. Now who, K is completely filled, 2 are completely filled na, K needs 2 electrons and it is completely filled. So what will happen, that this L shell has 1 electron but it needs 8 electron. So what will happen, that this 1 electron which is left in the L shell will react in the reactions to completely fill its octet. Octet is that which needs 8 electron to be a neutral one, ताकि वो अपने आप को न्यूट्रल कर ले, किसी रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट ना करे, उसको हम ऑक्टेट बोलेंगे. ओके, 8 चाहिए completely filled होने के लिए. अब यहाँ पे तो एक 1 अवेलेबल है, ओनली 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इज अवेलेबल. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, that this 1 electron will take part in the reactions. Now what it will do is, either it will take 7, how much it needs, 8 electron. So either it will take 1 electron, can take 1 electron from others, or can lose 1 electron. Fine. This means if an atom is taking an electron, an atom can take an electron to completely fill its octet, but at the same time it can lose an electron to completely fill its octet. या तो वो एक ले या वो एक दे, इन लिथियम ओनली. ओके, सो टू completely fill its octet, ताकि वो अपनी octet completely fill कर सके. ओके, now what next we have, if an atom takes an electron, अगर वो कोई एटम एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ले रहा है, take 1 electron from others, it will become negative, and this term is known as anion. So the atom will become anion. That is, आपने किसी से कोई सब्सटेंस, कोई चीज़ ली, तो आपके पास कोई चीज़ एक्स्ट्रा हो गई ना, सो एक्स्ट्रा होने के बाद वो आपके पास नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. दैट इज नोन एज एनायन. लाइक आपने किसी से मनी बोरो की, फाइन, यू हैव 20 रुपीज़ बट यू नीड 50, सो आपने 30 रुपीज़ ले लिए, आपको 30 रुपीज़ देने पड़ेंगे ना उसे कभी ना कभी. बट जब तक आप नहीं दे रहे वो 30 रुपीज़, आपके पास एक नेगेटिव चार्ज आ गया, आपके ऊपर एक डेप्ट आ गया, कर्ज आ गया, तो उस टर्म को हमने यहाँ पे क्या बोला है, एनायन बोला है. बट इफ़ यू लूज वन इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो वी टेक इट एज पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि आपने कुछ दिया है ना. हर कोई कहता है दैट इफ़ यू स्प्रेड समथिंग, अगर आप कोई चीज़ स्प्रेड करते हैं तो आप हमेशा पॉजिटिव नेचर के होते हैं. फाइन, कहते हैं ना नॉलेज बांटने से बढ़ती है, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, बांट रहे हैं ना, दे रहे हैं किसी को. सो इट इज़ नोन एज पॉजिटिव इन नेचर. सो व्हेन यू लूज समथिंग, अगर आप अपने में से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दे रहे हैं तो आप पॉजिटिव चार्ज के हो गए. सो इट इज़ नोन एज कैटायन. Three terms we have learned, that is octet. Octet means the shell which is completely filled. It can be by 2 electrons and it can be by 8 electrons. For you only. Now next we have read the terms cations and anions. What are anions? That if you take an electron, अगर आप एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ले रहे हैं किसी से, so it is known as anion. बट अगर आप किसी को एक इलेक्ट्रॉन दे रहे हैं, आपने अपने अंदर में से लूज किया, सो यू विल बिकम पॉजिटिव इन नेचर, इट इज़ नोन एज केटायन. नाउ सी द प्रीवियस वन. इन दिस you will see that lithium has 1 electron in outermost shell, that is L shell में lithium के पास एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है, पर उसे टोटल कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स करने हैं, 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो यू नो इट वेरी वेल कि एक आपको 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लेने पड़ेंगे, तो मीन्स आपको -7 का चार्ज आ जाएगा. फाइन, दैट इज़ नॉट एन ईजी टास्क. किसी से 7 का डेप्थ लोगे तो आपके ऊपर बर्डन पड़ेगा. फाइन, बट अगर आप किसी को एक दे दोगे तो आपके पास कोई डेप्थ नहीं रहेगा. That means taking of 7 electron is a much more energy taking task. मीन्स अगर आप किसी 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन ले रहे हो तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी देनी पड़ेगी. बट अगर आप किसी को 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन दे रहे हो तो उसमें कम एनर्जी देनी पड़ेगी. सो विच वन इज़ ईजियर? दैट लूजिंग एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज़ एन ईजी टास्क. आप 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर दीजिए, वो बहुत ज़्यादा ईजी है. सो दैट मीन्स लिथियम विल लूज 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. When lithium will lose 1 electron, what will happen? Originally lithium has K in L shell, 2 in N1. But when it lose 1 electron, what will happen? That this L shell is empty and K will have 2 electrons. So it means they do not need any L shell anymore. So K is completely filled. Fine. So when it lose 1 electron, it will become positive in nature, and that's why it is known as cation. It is known as cation. I hope ये आपको समझ में आया है यहाँ तक what is cation and what is anion and how it is formed. So we have more examples for this. Now we have beryllium. This is your symbol for beryllium is Be and atomic number is 4. Okay. Now what you have to do is, this is beryllium, KLM shells है. Now 2 in first K shell. Now how many electrons are left? 2. So you will fill 2 electrons in L shell. Now which one is easy? L needs 8 electron to fill to do its complete octet, but it has only 2 electrons. What it will do is either take 6 electron or lose 2 electrons. Same way that taking of 6 electron is an much energy taking task. बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी चाहिएगी आपको उसके लिए. So what you will do is you will give 2 electrons. आप उसे 2 electrons दे देंगे. So when you give 2 electrons, what will happen? Originally beryllium was Kl2 and 2. When it lose 2 electrons, what will happen? That is Kl, 2 electrons are given, so it will not be written over here. So only 2 electrons are left in the K shell. So that means these are eliminated. खत्म हो गए ये रिएक्शन में से. तो इसने जब 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दिए तो उसके बाद कितना चार्ज आया? +2 का चार्ज आया, जो कि देने पर 2 पॉजिटिव चार्ज आते हैं. सो बेरिलियम विल बिकम +2 इन नेचर एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो केटायन. आई होप ये आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि व्हाट इज़ केटायन, व्हाट इज़ एनायन एंड हाउ टू फिल KLMN shells. You just have to remember the atomic number. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Fine. Suppose we have 5. 5 is an atomic number. What you will do in K shell? Suppose atomic number is your 5. हम अभी एटम की बात नहीं कर रहे कौन सा है. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन इज KLM. Fine. Atomic number is 5. I told you that in K shell you will always put 2 electrons maximum. So 5 is atomic number. 5 is greater than 2. 5 2 से बड़ा है, तो आपने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पहले फिल कर दीजिए. कितने बचे? 3. So you will put 3 over here. Fine. 2 + 3 is 5 हो गए. तो 5 एटॉमिक नंबर था. एटॉमिक नंबर से बड़ा हम कभी जाते ही नहीं है. So 2 + 3 is 5. Now K is completely filled. We don't talk about this. Now what is left is L. L have 3 electrons. Fine. Now what it will do? L have 3 electrons, but L can maximum have 8 electrons. L के पास maximum 8 electrons हो सकते हैं. So what it will do? It will either take 5 electrons. Obviously octet पूरा करना है, 8 electrons fulfill करने हैं. या तो वो 5 electrons लेगा क्योंकि 8 - 3 is 5. या तो वो 5 electrons ले या वो 3 electrons से. सेम वे 3 इज़ अ शॉर्टर नंबर. सो 3 देने में कम एनर्जी लगेगी और 5 लेने में ज़्यादा एनर्जी लगेगी. सो आप क्या करेंगे? आप 3 देंगे या 5 लेंगे? आप डेफिनेटली 3 देंगे बिकॉज वहाँ कम एनर्जी लग रही है. सो इट विल लूज 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. when it lose 3 electrons it will become positive in nature and it is known as cation. It is known as cation. Now same way I'll talk about another number. Say 17. एटॉमिक नंबर इज 17. हम अभी एटम की बात नहीं कर रहे कौन सा एटम है, हम सिर्फ ये बात करेंगे एटॉमिक नंबर इज 17. नाउ व्हेन एटॉमिक नंबर इज 17 व्हाट विल हैपन that in K shell, L shell, M shell, when K shell will have maximum of 2 electrons, how many is left? 15. 15 is greater number than 8 because L can take maximum of 8 electrons, so it will take 8 electrons. How many electrons are filled? 10. How many are left? 7. So 7 will come over here. Still M can take 8 electrons but हमारे पास 7 ही है, एक की कमी है. We have a shortage of 1 electron. Now what we will do that we know that giving of 7 electron is not an easy task. यहाँ पे 7 देना समझदारी नहीं है. आप क्या करेंगे, एक लेके अपने आप का ऑक्टेट पूरा कर लेंगे. So before doing a chemical reaction we need to understand that how to make a reaction. So I am just explaining what is a chemical, how to make a chemical reaction through atoms. Now what you will do is you will either take 1 electron or give 7 electrons. आप क्या करेंगे, 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स देंगे या 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन लेंगे? ऑब्वियसली 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को देने में हमें बहुत एनर्जी लगेगी, तो हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लेंगे. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे +1 किया, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हमने ले लिया, तो हमारे पास क्या हो गया, 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फुलफिल हो गए. फाइन. जब 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फुलफिल हो गए तो क्या हुआ, हमने 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन लिया था ना, माइनस अब लिया, दैट मीन्स वी आर नेगेटिव इन नेचर. सो व्हेन वी आर नेगेटिव इन नेचर वी बिकम anion. Okay, so this is what you have to do is you have to write the atomic number, atom, symbols, electronic configuration in K, L, M, N shells as depicted in the starting of the chapter of this video till 20. With tomorrow we will discuss some new topic which is very much important, but for that you have to do this. Now write the series till 1 to 20. Now 1 is your hydrogen, symbol is your H. This is your atomic number, this is your atom, and this is your atomic symbol. Now second is your helium, HELIUM, and symbol is HE. Third is your lithium and symbol is Li. Fourth is your beryllium and the symbol is Be. Now next is fifth is your boron and the symbol is B. Sixth is your carbon and the symbol is C. 7 is your nitrogen and the symbol is N. 8 is your oxygen and the symbol is O. Please copy that. Now 9 is your fluorine and the symbol is F. 10 is your neon and the symbol is Ne. 11 is your sodium and the symbol is Na. 12 is your magnesium and the symbol is Mg. Now 13 is your aluminium and the symbol is Al. 14 is your silicon and the symbol is Si. 15 is your phosphorus and the symbol is Ph. No, sorry, symbol is your P. Phosphorus symbol is your P. Now 16 is your sulfur and the symbol is your, this is your R. Symbol is your S. Now 17 is your chlorine. Symbol is Cl. 18 is your argon and the symbol is Ar. 19 is your potassium and the symbol is K. 20 is your calcium and the symbol is Ca. Now class, please do as directed, because then only you will get to know the next concept. Now if you do this as I told you, then only you will easily make the chemical reactions, which is an easy task for you. Fine, you have to do that. Write the atomic number, write the atom, then atomic symbol, then write electronic configuration. In electronic configuration, make 3 columns, that is K, L, M, N. Then fill maximum of K electrons, then L electrons, then M electrons, then your N electrons. And please, if you have any doubt, please let me know. That's all for today. Thank you.